How to start freelancing in 2026. Hi there, my name is Grace Luxine and I am the CEO and owner of Surge Freelancing Marketplace. And we have been teaching and matching virtual assistants to clients since 2016. Now, allow me to share with you what changed in the marketplace the last couple of years that will ensure your success this year. No more gatekeeping. Here are 3 specific steps in order for you to be successful in starting freelancing this 2026. Number 1 is that in launching your freelancing career, it's now faster and shorter. Unlike before, where you need to have at least 1 to 3 months in order to launch your freelancing services, now you can do it in 2 weeks or 4 weeks. Of course, it's still going to depend on your availability and focus on the things that you need to prepare in order for you to launch your freelancing services. So tips for this one is you need to get trained, get certified, so you don't have to study on your own. Get a training that will basically tell you what are the steps in order for you to get started. And it might be getting a simple skill, having your certifications, creating your portfolio, resume, application, documents, creating your portfolio, creating and optimizing your freelancing profiles in different freelancing platforms, creating packages, and basically marketing your freelancing services. Before, the only choices are going through the lessons yourselves and teaching yourselves, but now there are a lot of video lessons, courses, certifications that will really launch you in just 1 week on how you can get started, even if you're from the corporate setting, BPO industry, or work from home mom, whoever you are, you can start and launch your freelancing career in just 1 week. Number 2 is you need to focus on a more niched service when it comes to your freelancing service. There is still the fact that a lot of business owners are looking for anyone that can do a lot of tasks for them. However, because of AI, because of tools and applications that are being sold to business owners or enterprises who are ready to hire you, they are looking for a much more specific niche service. So go ahead and consider creating funnels, doing a lot of business automations, studying artificial intelligence, or you can still focus on the traditional virtual assistant services, but also adopt automations and artificial intelligence. Number 3 is that hiring will come through personalization. It might be really sending your capacity, your value to each of the business owners in LinkedIn, or personalizing your application documents to each of your applications via the platform, or personally being endorsed by somebody who knows somebody needing your services. So it's going to be less when it comes to randomly just sending applications and then being hired, but it's going to be more adding your personal touch, maybe via the networking, via different platforms or referrals, or you sending out your outreach. It's going to be done in a more personalized way. There is a trend from a lot of business owners to really demand for virtual assistants who show more clarity, genuine, and transparency when it comes to who they are and their services. So once you go ahead and provide that, you will be the one that will be hired this year. So 3 things in order for you to start your freelancing services is go for the faster and shorter route through training and certification. Number 2 is go for a very niche service. And number 3 is always provide a personal approach in your hiring and application steps. That would be all for this video. I hope this is helpful. Follow for more tips.